The next step to the moon postponed. We have previously shared details about NASA's ambitious endeavor to return humans to the moon, a project that marks a significant milestone in space exploration. This initiative, known as the Artemis program, saw its first major achievement with the successful Artemis 1 mission, which was launched in November 2022. During this mission, the unmanned Orion spacecraft completed a journey around our celestial neighbor and safely returned to Earth, demonstrating that critical systems functioned as expected. Originally, the second mission in the program, Artemis 2, was scheduled to launch in September 2025, marking the first crewed mission of the series with 4 astronauts on board. However, a major update arrived in late 2024 when NASA Administrator Bill Nelson, who is set to leave his position in January 2025, officially announced that the Artemis 2 launch would be delayed until April 2026. This decision, in turn, caused a domino effect, pushing back the highly anticipated Artemis 3 mission, the one that will see humans walking on the moon once again, until mid-2027. While the Artemis 1 mission was widely considered a success, further analysis revealed certain technical issues with the Orion spacecraft. These complications require additional modifications and requalification before it can safely transport astronauts, as explained by Alexandra Maurice, Chief Technology Officer at the aerospace company Neomin. Engineers and scientists are now working to ensure Orion meets the rigorous standards necessary for human spaceflight. Meanwhile, another critical component of the Artemis program, SpaceX's Starship, plays an essential role in the upcoming lunar landing. The vehicle designed for Artemis 3 must first prove that it can refuel while in low Earth orbit, an essential capability for completing the journey to the moon and back. Without this technological milestone, the mission cannot proceed as planned. NASA and SpaceX still have significant hurdles to overcome, and the success of the program depends on resolving these challenges in the coming years. There is also speculation that Bill Nelson may have intentionally postponed the timeline to ensure all preparations were thoroughly managed before stepping down. His successor, billionaire private astronaut Jared Isaacman, was selected by former U.S. President Donald Trump to take over NASA leadership. This transition could influence the direction and priorities of the Artemis program moving forward, adding another layer of uncertainty to humanity's return to the moon.